Hey techies, it's Fluffy here, and today we're diving into Xiaomi's latest tablet, the Redmi Pad 2 4G. Welcome to our unboxing and first look, where innovation meets affordability. Xiaomi continues to impress, and the Redmi Pad 2 4G is no exception. Designed to keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle, this tablet packs features to deliver a remarkable multimedia and productivity experience. Let's start with the basics. Out of the box, you immediately notice the premium build quality. Xiaomi has always been synonymous with smart design, and the Redmi Pad 2 4G reinforces that promise. To boost creativity and productivity, Xiaomi offers essential accessories like the Redmi Smart Pen, featuring 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity and a lightning-fast 240Hz touch sampling rate. Pair that with the protective Redmi cover, and you've got tools that elevate your overall experience. feast your eyes on an expansive 11-inch 2.5K display that brings your content to life. With a pixel density of 274 ppi and a 90Hz adaptive sync refresh rate, every scroll, swipe, and tap feels buttery smooth. Whether you're streaming your favorite series or editing documents, the visuals are nothing short of stunning. Having used the Redmi Pad 2 4G for a few days now, I can confidently say it's a reliable, versatile device. It's perfect for media consumption, photography, and even work tasks, all thanks to its stunning 2.5K display, robust battery, and powerful performance. Xiaomi has truly crafted a tablet that not only meets the demands of today, but also sets the bar for future innovation. One of the standout features for users on the move is dual SIM, dual 4G support. Whether on your commute or traveling, seamless connectivity keeps you in touch with what matters most. It transforms your everyday routine into something efficient and smart. But it's not just about the visuals. This tablet is an audio beast too, equipped with quad speakers and Dolby Atmos technology for immersive sound. The rich, dynamic audio elevates everything from a casual playlist to a high-octane gaming session. Now, what's a high-performance tablet without an equally impressive battery? The Redmi Pad 2 4G houses a massive 9,000 mAh battery that powers you through the day. With continuous video playback for up to 19 hours, it's truly built for non-stop entertainment. And for those moments when you need a quick boost, rapid charging gets you back in action fast. Having used the Redmi Pad 2 4G for a few days now, I can confidently say it's a reliable, versatile device. It's perfect for media consumption, photography, and even work tasks, all thanks to its stunning 2.5K display, robust battery, and powerful performance. Xiaomi has truly crafted a tablet that not only meets the demands of today, but also sets the bar for future innovation. If you're excited about the Redmi Pad 2 4G as much as I am, hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews right here on techbeatph.com. Until next time, keep exploring techies.